Welcome to another funny Jamaican video from WTFV. Hope you're having a great day or night. Well, make yourself comfortable and let's get into the laughter.
If you eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
Chapo, I don't even know that one. They make you that big man thing, you know. Because I not eat nobody, you know. You hear that? I not eat nobody. See? You have to look for a cannibal. Oh! I have to shout Anarchy, them girl eat people. Because she don't know she have to eat me. Anarchy, she clean me up more while my regular. On the basic style, you hear that? So you don't know she my cannibal, you hear that? And she eat me.
Anarchy.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I see Sasha them dash your belly, you have to know about them too. Because them girls dash and eat them pitney, you understand? Them say them curry brown straw. You see? Yeah.
Them thing they are going?
Yeah, man, them thing they are going nowadays, man. Girl, you see one time, them sex a bagger man and them them no older father.
Yeah.
So them don't see how go, man. I dash that one here, you know. Or I'm going to eat that one here. See? Big up girl like Shorty. Now working at that wholesaler down there, so she more dash her most belly.
Girl supposed to afraid of you, my boy. Because the whole of them business they out the door.
So I have sex with this girl. And after we done, she start ball. I say, Mama, want to you. She say, at the last time I hear from you down, I feel it to my heart. I'll start ball too. Cause that's true. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh boy, have rhymes.
Make people vex. Coronavirus. Make people vex. You're gonna sanitize your penis before your sex.
On this episode of Jamaica is not a real place.
Daddy, I have a bump on my seed bag. So, what that has to do with me? I want you to look at it for me. Me? Do I look like a doctor to you, Jimmy? But Daddy, you're my daddy. Jimmy, for some reason, I just don't trust you. Move your little freaky blood clot. Puh. Pete, Jimmy just spit by me.
Two weeks ago, I was at work on night shift, and I feel something clot me in my head back here.
Clot you?
How everybody a laugh for? Nothing never clear on the head.
So how long you been bleaching? When you started to bleach?
Lord Jesus, for ambi years. You know much years that lady from me I go school.
You think when you bleach, it make you look better?
Yeah, then that's why I bleach. For bring you up.
Why you think it make you look better though?
Because you have a bright, not as if I don't like black, but you know entire skin little lighter, it just look little beautiful more like you.
What you find it do to you now?
Boy, I may use it till it can't do nothing for me now. Right now a doctor may have to go. You know how much money it costs more there? For buy, I forgot one jinxing something the doctor prescribe.
Why you go doctor? What happened?
My face just black. You know say black man, I'm not that black. See there? See the cameraman is a brown girl and the bleaching to my face. This is the difference from my face and my body. I do it so.
That's what the doctor said.
The doctor said I must stop bleach because I'm pregnant leaving.
The question is if YES is yes, what is EYES?
Yes.
No, God! Try again. EYES.
Yes.
No, God! EYES.
Yes.
No, God! No, man. Try again.
EYS.
Yeah.
ES.
EYES.
ES. ES.
Try again.
ES.
No, man. Not yes.
YS.
If YES is yes, what is EYES? I want part for your body.
ES.
No. EYES.
ES. I want the top.
Already done scab there. Wanna send it on there for me. Send it on.
So you go a UE, you go a UTech, you go a Monique, CMU, Michael, even come see. Graduate and get a degree. Do all that for work a call center for 3 bills. No make them pressure you after you no cow food.
Brother, you wanna know how strong a girl be? Try take off her shorts when she have on a tear up panty. It's like you try to lift up a horse with one hand.
Oh shit! Oh shit! 50 and 60 and 1,000 for the littlest donkey you say walk through your saying. And no man not lend them donkey. But in lending donkeys like in lending woman and pitney. It's cheaper you get a woman and pitney right now if you borrow more than one donkey.
I fuck with us! Bamba clap! Me don't like that!
I found this bell in a forest. What will happen when I ring it?
You have to be a white smaddy. Cause no black smaddy now go want know what I been left for. The first thing we are going to stay at Obia.
Get out here! Look here, give me my money!
Miss, I would not.
This is everyone! Jesus Christ! Give me
Miss, I drove, see the video there, see the video there, miss.
Give me my money!
Miss, see the video there.
I don't want to the blood! This is my money me want!
Miss, I was put it there, miss. I mean, see, aram.
You don't put no money there!
Put it there.
I need the money from my grand picnic, them I go dead! And me I go dead for hungry. So no give me money, make me get for pay taxes. Them I go arrest me, but me no have no money to pay me taxes. You don't hear what me say?